Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do a wash day routine. I have not washed my hair, like my actual scalp, my actual hair, since December. It's almost March. That's disgusting. That's nasty. But in my defense, I had a sew-in in and I was washing my hair while I had my sew-in in, but I just wasn't, you know, getting to the scalp, getting to the roots, getting to my crown. But today we're gonna get into all of that. But this is gonna be a voiceover video. So this is the only time you're gonna hear me talking. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll wait. Did you subscribe? Did you like the video? Did you share the video? Leave a comment and let me know what products you use in your natural hair. And if y'all gonna drag me for how I wash my hair, then drag me. Drag me. But I'm not a professional or anything. This is just what I do, and of course, as y'all can see, I know how to grow my own hair out. So what I'm doing may be working. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're using in your products. What are your natural hair routines? And leave me some comments down below, and let's get it popping. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. I just want to give y'all the look into what my hair looks like. We are about right here. This is the top of my chest. This is the top of my chest. I don't know, this is not armpit length, I don't think, but I do got some parts that are like armpit. Like, yeah. So that's just where we're at now, guys. On to this wash day. On to the wash day. We go. Let's get it poppin'. Let's get it poppin'. So right now, guys, what I'm going to do is part my hair up into 4 sections. And in each section, I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. That way, I can keep my hair sectioned off and properly detangle and wash my hair in these 4 sections. So right now, I'm just going to show you guys what I'm doing. So I really do not know what happened to the clips of me showing the shampoo I use, but I did use the Aussie Miracle Moisture shampoo. It is the avocado and jojoba oil. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just shampooing my hair in these 4 sections, and this is the back section of my hair. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. I finger detangle. I really don't use any brushes or combs or anything to detangle my hair at first. I just use my fingers. That way I can get in the middle and get all the knots and tangles out. Since I have not washed my hair in 2 months, I really need to get in there and scrub the scalp from the top. And I am going to drag the shampoo down the shaft of my hair. That way I can cleanse the entire strand of hair. So once I'm done shampooing that section of my hair, I go ahead and twist it back up. That way I can get it out of the way and move on to the next section of hair. Just tell me what you want and you need. I can tell it by the way you move
your hips and arch your back. Going up and round the pro. You got these niggas throwing cash. I'm just waiting till you come up off that stage and hit the back.
This is me just showing you guys how much hair I lost doing this whole shampoo process. This is not bad for 2 months. And also, this is what my hair looks like after I completely wash out that shampoo. My hair was squeaky clean. My scalp felt amazing. After I shampoo, I move on to my deep conditioning treatments. I am mixing 3 conditioners up. It was the Shea Moisture line. I had 2. I had the deep moisture mask and the strengthening mask. And also, I mixed in the olive oil replenishing conditioner. You guys, it smells so good. These 3 mixed together had my hair right now. What I'm going to do is mix all 3 of those deep conditioners together. I have the Shea Moisture strengthening and restore mask already in the bowl. Next, I'm going to mix in the ORS strengthening and restore replenishing conditioner. You guys, that sweet orange oil that is in this ORS conditioner smells so good. I have been using this for years and I don't think I will ever get over the smell. It smells absolutely amazing. Now what I'm going to do is take a spoonful of that Shea Moisture deep treatment mask and I'm going to add this in there, and then I'm going to stir it all together and I'm going to mix it up and add it to each section of my hair. So I take the first section of hair and I go ahead and twist the top section up into a Bantu knot so I can get it out of the way so I can work with this back section of hair. So guys, this is what the mixture looks like. It is very thick, so you have to really work it in. I like to work from the ends up to the top of my hair. That way I can ensure that every strand of hair gets coated in this deep treatment mixture. And I also like to work my way from the bottom to the top because the oldest parts of your hair are the ends of your hair, so you want to make sure they get the most love so your hair doesn't break off from the bottom to the top. And y'all, I know my skin looks terrible right now. It is Shark Week and my hormones are going crazy, so my skin is breaking out really bad. Don't speak on it. We're just not going to speak on it, okay? Often I like to split the hair up so I can ensure that I'm coating every strand of hair. You guys, my hair is so thick. It is a lot of hair on my head. So I have to make sure that I am sectioning off each section and getting in between those sections because I will miss a spot. So I have to really make sure I am coating every strand of hair. So you will see me often parting in the section that I am working in and getting in the middle because I promise you I will miss a spot. During my conditioning phase, I will get my dimming brush and detangle with the dimming brush. That way I can work the product into my hair. This is the only stage that I really use any utensils as far as a comb or a brush. I really don't use combs unless it's a wide tooth comb, but I do use my dimming brush. That way it helps my curls start to pop because as you can see, it's taking a long time for my curls to come in.
Taking caution, yeah. I'm giving you a show. Baby, you so sexy in them strings. I know. Sexy in them draws. Rolling up on that pole. Hope you get a little bit lost. You come sliding down to me. Ooh, them legs look soft. I do.
After I finish adding all the conditioner to each 4 sections of my hair, I bend to knot that up, and then I grab a grocery sack. If you are black, you know about the grocery sack. We are infamous for that. But I use the grocery sack to help lock in the moisture and add an heating effect. And I do this for 15 minutes. That way I can let the deep conditioner soak into my hair, because my hair really needs deep conditioning. So I have to do this every time I wash my hair, because my hair will get so dry and brittle, and I do not want my hair to break off. Set my timer for 15 minutes, and I let the deep conditioner soak in my hair for 15 minutes. And sometimes I would sit under the dryer, but most of the times I didn't. This day I particularly didn't. Now I'm just showing you guys what my hair looks like after those 15 minutes are up. My hair is so soft, you guys, and you see my curls are starting to pop. I will show you what it looks like after I rinse my hair out. After 15 minutes with letting that deep conditioning treatment sit in my hair, I rinse my hair out with cold water. Guys, cold water really helps lock in the moisture to your hair. It helps close the shaft up so your hair will stay extremely soft and moisturized. I promise, try it. Us natural girls know that you do not use a towel, use a t-shirt. It helps stop the breakage. So this is what my hair looks like after I rinse that conditioner out. Guys, my hair was so soft. When I tell y'all it's so soft, it's still soft today, and this is 4 days later. That treatment really got my hair extremely soft. It was extremely detangled. I didn't have any knots. I can literally run my hair from the scalp to the ends, and I did not have one knot, tangle, or anything. For the past 2 years, I have had so much heat damage. So as I went along, I've been cutting off inches. So before I got my sew-in, I did cut 5 inches off my hair. So in the front parts of my hair, I still have some heat damage. For the most part, I don't have any more heat damage except that front section. So if you see a little straight pieces, that is the last little bit of heat damage that I have. Hey, I probably could do a wash and go. It ain't gonna be all the way there, but I probably can get away with one. Now what I'm about to do is do 2 flat twists on the side of my head. I was going to the gym right after this, so I really didn't style my hair, y'all. I probably finger detangled that part. It was a mess, but this is what I'm just doing for right now. I did come back and do a 2-strand twist out on my hair, but it turned out so good, and I did not film it, guys. I did not film it. I'm so sorry. But right now, what I'm just showing you guys is the flat twist I did on the side of my head. This is the one side that I did show y'all. My hair was popping, okay? It may not look like it to y'all, but I have been going through some bad heat damage, and my curls are starting to pop finally, and I'm so happy. So guys, that's what I do when I wash my natural hair. It is very moisturizing, and my hair is starting to pop again. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what products you use down in the comment section below. And I love you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.